Welcome guys, I am back with my new vlog. So today in this vlog I will be going to my college, visiting my college. Yes, we are that 2020-21 batch where visiting college is normal, not attending. So finally this is the entrance of the college. After a long time I had been coming in here, perhaps before 4 to 5 months before I came. So again after so long time I am coming. College is not reopening, classes are going online. To have a glimpse of the college, again I have come here. As engineering students, how could we not take the shortcut path to the administrative block? So we took a path which is totally behind the block and finally came. After coming in front of the administrative block, which is really a very good magnificent building, our gang got separated. Some of us went inside to have some work done and others got separated because our main aim was to have a glimpse of every department, especially me. As the nearest department was of electrical, so it was our first target. Upon taking the lift, we went upstairs and it was my first entry to any of the department of NIT Agartala. Earlier also various times I had come in the college, but those were for some important works. I came, have done in the block and then went, but had never visited any department. So it was my first visit and everything was great. Infrastructure, building, everything was great. Only one thing that was missing, that was students, and those empty benches, that was so emotional for me. What to say, means when I was seeing those benches I could not hold my emotion. It was as if those benches were saying, when you people will come and sit upon us. It was so emotional. Those benches, first, second, fifth bench, those were the epitome of happiness when we were in the school life. I thought the same would be in college life also, but who could foresee that COVID-19 would cause such a drastic damage to the student life? But what to do, nothing could be done. So we took a tour of the entire department, and from this electrical department, that is from the balcony, there is a good view of the junction of four roads. And after a long wait, finally my happiness, I am going to my happiness, to my department, computer science and engineering department. So our mentor Udayanda, he is leading us. Finally, I am inside computer science and engineering department. These are all the rooms of respective faculties of our department. Every faculty is having a separate room here. The building is magnificent. And this attraction, how can any CSE student get repulsed by this? These are really very much attractive. Now the building from the outside superb, from the inside marvelous. So everything was neat and clean, very neat. Architecture was top class, everything. After coming inside, my excitement was even increasing more, that when will the college open. But that could not be done until the notice comes. So after CSE department, we went to the EIE department, which was completely upstairs of CSE. Going there, my EIE friend became very busy in videography. He was capturing each and every moment of his lab. See the smile, how happy he is. So with this, after that we went to the terrace. After moving to the terrace, there was a very good green view of the entire campus, and here my friends are busy in predicting. कुछ बातें कही नहीं जाती, कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के दूसरों को समझाया जाता है. So you guess what they are predicting from this terrace. So the terrace was also very big. The building was as a whole is superb. View is also very nice, very enchanting. Finally, we are in the National Library, the Knowledge Center. Just as we entered, the guard said that we had to keep our property in the property encounter. Our property consisting of water bottles and one umbrella. Partho भी like कुछ फर्क नहीं पहनता. So after having our property kept at a very safe place, we moved inside. The library was very good, very gracious, but the entire library could not be taken around because only the ground floor was made available. The first floor was not made available to us due to some reasons, some unsolved. Finally, we are at the Northeast's largest sports complex, the sports complex of NIT Agartala. You can see the magnificence of the building. Nothing can express the type of architecture that is there in the building. In one word to say, simply wow. After having a full tour of the entire sports complex, we were headed for a lunch. But Udayan and Govindo be like, "Khana jai bhej lene, hum to khelenge." But we had to take lunch, and after the lunch, our Tuntuni Masi was super energized. Just before few days back, she was having her birthday. She was feeling the same excitement as of her birthday, so she was super energized. After having these few happy notes, it was time for us to leave, but rather to meet the next time.
शॉर्ट श्रेजी क्या
सब लोग सब्सक्राइब कर देना इस चैनल को।
साथ में 500 किलो का बटर फ्री।
हाँ, ये हमारा बटर
500 किलो रिमाइंड
बटर भैया है।
काफिराना सा है, इश्क है या है, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले।
सूरज निकल रहा है, देश का परचम अब ऊंचा उड़ रहा है, बरसों का अंधेरा रोशन हो रहा है, गरीब की रसोई से धुआं हट रहा है। मेरा देश, मेरा देश, मेरा देश, मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। देश का परचम अब ऊंचा उड़ रहा है, बरसों का अंधेरा रोशन हो रहा है, गरीब की रसोई से धुआं हट रहा है। मेरा देश, मेरा देश, मेरा देश।